The Western Cape had to temporarily close down some of its vaccination sites last week due to the slow arrival of doses. Premier Alan Winde says more shots are arriving this week and hopefully the program will be back in the full swing of things. Winde says the province has been preparing since the second wave to make sure it's ready for the next one.
It was devastating Thursday and Friday last week. We've got 65 sites open in the city of Cape Town. We've got 107 sites open across our rural areas, and especially some of the far-flung rural areas. We had to close down some of those sites on Thursday and Friday because of the supply of vaccines. We had just on 50,000 arrive. And we're getting on Thursday again another 140,000. So hopefully that is now sufficient in the system and they do arrive on time, because then we can get that opening up more and more sites as more vaccines come into the system. So we have been preparing the whole time since the end of the second wave, making sure the extra oxygen tanks are in place, making sure that we've got sufficient staff in place to deal with frontline staff. Frontline staff fatigue is a big thing, so we've got to make sure there's enough extra people to come in, and then you've got to man the vaccine sites as well, keeping our field hospital beds all open, so we've got all of that in place. It now relies on a partnership between the citizens and the healthcare community. So if citizens don't adhere to the rules, don't avoid those congested areas, don't wear their masks and social distancing, well, of course, then the numbers are going to go up beyond the capability. So we need to work together to make sure we flatten the curve. We've got enough response for this third wave, but we all have to make sure we flatten the curve on the way.